Marion here, and today I want to show you how to make collard green wraps. I've been going to restaurants and would get wraps that were made with collard greens, and then I would try to come home and replicate them, and the collard greens would just break apart, and I couldn't figure out what I was doing. And then so I did some research and found out that you have to blanch them for a few seconds, and that makes them so they're pliable and you're able to wrap them up and they don't break. And it's really, really simple. I was amazed. So I want to show you how to do that today. First, you're going to need a pretty decent pot, fill it with water and bring it to a gentle boil. You're going to want paper towels that are already torn up, and then a bowl of ice water, and then a plate to put them on, and then a gallon-sized Ziploc bag for storing them when you're done. You do not have to eat them right away. Keep the paper towels on them, stick them in a Ziploc bag, keep them in the fridge. They'll last for about 3 to 4 days, and you can use them for breakfast burritos or any wrap that you would normally use wheat flour or maybe a gluten-free wrap for. You can sub out with a collard green wrap, lower calorie and packed full of nutrition. So first up, you're going to want collard greens. And sometimes they're at the store and sometimes they're not. I had to go without them for like a month, but they're back in the store, so I'm super stoked. And you're going to want to use the big ones. I do have some little ones here, but as you can see, that's not going to hold very much. But they do make great ones for like little tiny like roll-ups for maybe like a bento box or something. So don't discount the small ones, but I do prefer to use the bigger ones for full-on meals that I use at home. And you're going to cut them off of the stem, and then we will put them in the water and start the blanching process. So I'm taking a knife. You could probably use your hands if you wanted, but I like the clean cut that a knife gives, and I'm less likely to break them like halfway in. And there are my tongs. So I take my tongs and I'm going to stick it in the water for just a few seconds. They're going to turn this gorgeous green, bright green color. And I need to put a paper towel over here on top of this one. So as you can see, they go from this sort of green to this vibrant, beautiful green. Douse them in the ice water to stop the cooking process. And then lay them flat on a paper towel. And then rinse and repeat. And you do that for however many that you're going to want to do. And that is how you make collard green wraps. Have a great day.